Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into topics that empower us to live our best lives. Today, we're going to explore how to overcome a relationship breakup through the power of mindset. Let's embark on a journey of healing and transformation together. Breakups can be incredibly challenging and emotionally draining, but they also present an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. By harnessing the power of our mindset, we can navigate this difficult chapter with strength and grace. First, it's essential to give yourself permission to feel. Allow yourself to grieve, to process the emotions that come with the end of a relationship. Embrace self-care practices like journaling, meditation, and spending time in nature. Nurture your mind, body, and soul as you embark on this healing journey. Our thoughts shape our reality. During this challenging time, it's crucial to be mindful of the thoughts we entertain. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. Remind yourself of your worth, your strength, and your capacity to love again. Affirmations like "I am worthy of love and happiness" can have a profound impact on our healing process. Rediscover yourself and your passions. Embrace this newfound freedom to explore activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's trying out a new hobby, embarking on a solo adventure, or deepening your self-care routine, this is an opportunity for self-discovery and personal growth. Building a strong support network is vital during this time. Lean on your friends and loved ones for emotional support. Surround yourself with positive influences who uplift and encourage you. Connect with others who have gone through similar experiences, either through support groups or online communities. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Feed your mind with personal growth resources. There are countless books, podcasts, and online resources that can inspire and guide you on your healing journey. Dive into topics like self-love, resilience, and emotional healing. Allow these resources to empower you and provide insights that resonate with your unique situation. Remember, a breakup does not define your worth or your future. It's an opportunity for growth, self-reflection, and a chance to create the life you truly desire. Embrace the lessons learned from the past and carry them forward as you embark on a new chapter filled with self-love, personal growth, and exciting possibilities. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey of healing and mindset. Together, we can overcome the pain of a breakup and emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, you have the power to heal, grow, and create the love and happiness you deserve. Until next time, embrace the power of your mindset, love yourself fiercely, and know that brighter days are ahead. Stay strong, my friends.
If this video helped you out in any way, please make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you can check out more videos just like these.